just got off work, which means I'm officially on winter break, and I am so excited. I love my school. I'm having so much fun here, but we've been working non-stop since August, like the end of August, and haven't had a break that's lasted longer than 2 days. And that 2-day break was a 4-day weekend. So I am super excited to finally be on winter break. But before winter break happens is the mid-year conference, which is what I am vlogging for you right now. So I have to go home and pack and get ready for the conference and then be in Taipei early tomorrow morning. So let's go home and pack. Hey y'all, I am back and procrastinating as usual. I just got back from dinner and now I'm about to pack because I always leave my packing to the last minute. So my closet has all my suitcases. So I'm digging out my carry-on because the conference is only 3 days long. It's kind of like the joint site conference, but instead of at the beginning of the year, it's in the middle of the year. And unlike the Thanksgiving event, this is just for the ETAs and ETFs. So the scholars and researchers, they have their own mid-year conference. So it's just kind of, we're doing workshops and panels and just kind of discussing our first semester being here in Taiwan. So I'm planning to bring enough clothes for 3 days, 2 nights, and then a few special extra pairs of clothes because we might have like a fancy dinner or something. So I'm getting my little packing cubes that I brought with me. Oh no, they all fell. They're all falling. All right, we got them. All right, so I'm going to figure out what outfits I want to bring and I'll be back. Alright, so I have my outfits. I have my outfit for tomorrow, and then I'm going to wear the same pants with a different shirt another day, and then I have my business pants and a shirt. It's the first time I've ever bought business slacks. I'm pretty excited. I have a pretty casual outfit, just in case. My pajamas, and then I have a nice dress for a dinner. And then I'm gonna bring 2 pairs of shoes, one that's a little fancier, one that's a little less fancy, and one of them has like kind of a heel to it. It's almost like booties. Like, I don't know if you've heard the term booties, but that's the shoes that I'm planning to wear pretty much the entire conference. But then I wanted to bring maybe like a pair of tennis shoes just in case something happens. And then I have some jewelry, I have my undergarments, and this is my toiletries bag, which I can't pack until after tonight. And then I'm going to pack my backpack with my computer as well as my purse to put my wallet in. And then I think that's pretty much it. I don't need to shower tonight, so I'm gonna shower tomorrow at the hotel. Then I just have some, like I said, like leftover toiletry stuff I'm gonna need tonight and tomorrow morning. And also I'm debating whether or not to bring my hair curler for the dinner. I don't think I'm gonna have time because last time I didn't have time to do my hair, so then I'm just gonna leave my hair the way it is. So I'm gonna now put this all into packing cubes and put it in my suitcase and then get my backpack together. Alright, we have reached the floor portion of the travel vlog. So everything is here in my carry-on. Here are my tennis shoes. And then I packed this bag as my computer bag instead of bringing my backpack and a separate purse like I usually do to school. I can just put everything in this bag. So it's very heavy because obviously it has my computer in it. I just transferred most of what I keep in my weekend purse, like all my little toiletry pouches and medicine pouches that I like to just have with me when I'm out and about, in addition to my computer. So it's almost like carrying my backpack in a smaller size, which I guess I could do on a daily basis, but I like having 2 things on my shoulders instead of 1. So that is my plan. I'm using my computer right now to watch stuff, but I'll put it in here before I go to bed. So I just need to make sure I have a few more toiletries in my suitcase, and then I'm gonna wash up and head to bed. And I have to leave early tomorrow morning because it takes me a really long time to get into Taipei, and I have to be there at 10:45. So I'm trying to leave at like 8:15, 8:30, so I can try to get breakfast before I go. So yeah, I'm gonna just finish putting the toiletries in my suitcase, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Let's go. Good morning, everyone. I just washed up for the day, and now I'm getting ready to head to Taipei, Maine, because that's where we're meeting, and then they're putting us on a bus and taking us to the hotel where the conference is. I am gonna finish getting ready and get dressed and then head off to Taipei, Maine. So the amount of like footage I have from the same bus I take every day to get into Taipei, Maine is like insane. But anyways, let's get on that bus again. am back from conference. Overall, I had a really good time. I really enjoyed the speakers. I loved being able to see everyone again. It was a lot of fun. And now I am officially on winter break, which is so exciting. And I'm so excited to take you all along to all the countries I'm visiting. They're going to be short little vlogs because I'm only in each country for about 4 to 5 days. Probably not going to do this whole talking thing. It's probably just going to be music, text on the screen. I'm not going to do the pre-packing footage like I usually do, just because I figured it'd be more special to just have it be like a really cool looking travel vlog. So I am currently in the middle of doing my laundry and repacking everything, but this time I have to pack some summer clothes that I haven't even touched yet, or that I haven't worn in like 4 months, because the weather where I'm going is going to be so hot. So I'm looking forward to my trip and taking you all along with me. So I'll see you all in the next video in another country. Bye!